chicken 2 pieces, cooking oil 1 tablespoon, chicken powder 1 teaspoon, white pepper 1 teaspoon, jeera powder 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, paprika powder 1 teaspoon, chili flakes 1 teaspoon, honey mustard as required, parsley 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. Preparation of white sauce. Ghee or butter 1 teaspoon, onions 2 tablespoons, milk half cup, salt 1 teaspoon, dhania powder 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, cream 2 to 3 tablespoons, set aside. Preparation of pan grilled chicken. Cooking oil 2 to 3 tablespoons. Cook steak until golden brown. Preparation of potato mixture. Black pepper half teaspoon, salt as required, cream as required. Mix it well. Preparing vegetables. Cooking oil as required. 5 to 6 pieces of potatoes, 2 to 3 pieces of carrots, coriander as required.